When I'm entertaining, and sometimes when I'm just home alone, I will make this bruschetta. Everybody loves it. It's a sweet pea ricotta bruschetta. The thing about a great bruschetta is it's layered with flavor. It's made with a crunchy, wonderful base of a bread. I take a garlic clove, I just rub that garlic clove on each piece of bread. Now with this bruschetta, it has a second layer that it's this kind of creamy, wonderful sweet layer. And I do that using ricotta cheese. And to that, just to cut the sweetness, I like to add a little goat cheese so that sour that comes in, it just marries so well with the ricotta. We just mix these two cheeses together until it's a really smooth consistency. We're just getting the lumps out from the goat cheese. It doesn't take long when your cheese is at room temperature. At this point, I like to add a little bit of lemon zest, just something that gives a brightness to the cheese. Lastly, it's so simple, we're just going to salt and pepper it. And our first layer's done. Now the top layer of this bruschetta is what makes it so special. The secret to making the frozen peas taste like peas that came fresh from your garden is I add just a tablespoon of sugar to the water when I'm blanching the peas. I'm going to put those in the food processor. With that, I'm adding a little mint. We're going to take a little juice from that lemon. Finally, a little olive oil, adding a little salt and pepper. And that's it. The consistency we're after for the layer of the sweet peas is still a little bit chunky. We don't want it to go all the way to a paste. And just that fast, we're ready to assemble the bruschetta. First layer is a little bit of that wonderful ricotta mixture, and then we top it with a little bit of the pea mixture. So good. And then I'm gonna garnish with a little bit, I slice some radish. It depends on whatever I have around, but I think radish looks really pretty, but that's it. That's our sweet pea ricotta bruschetta.